mapasaya. Oh Gabriel, ikaw ang aming mundo. Sa iyong ganda, lahat ay nahuhulog. Happy birthday sa iyo, aming kaibigan. Ang buhay namin mas masaya dahil sa iyo. Kahit sino pa man gustong maging malapit sa iyo, sa iyong karisma, wala nang makakatapat. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim ng gabi. Gabi, ilog, sa iyo kami laging nakangiti. Oh Gabriel, ikaw ang aming mundo. Sa iyong ganda, lahat ay nahuhulog. Happy birthday sa iyo, aming kaibigan. Ang buhay namin mas masaya dahil sa iyo. Sa bawat halakhak, sa bawat ligaya, ang araw na ito'y para sa iyo talaga. Gabi, look, sa iyo ang pagdiriwang. Sa iyong kaarawan, nais namin ika'y mapasaya. Oh Gabriel, ikaw ang aming mundo. Sa iyong ganda, lahat ay nahuhulog. Happy birthday sa iyo, aming kaibigan. Ang buhay namin mas masaya dahil sa iyo. Gabriel, ikaw ang aming mundo. Sa iyong birthday, nais namin ikaw ay sumaya. Happy birthday, ikaw ang bituin ng gabi. Sa buhay namin, ikaw ang aming liwanag.
Nag-start ba? Okay, hi, Luke. Good morning. Good morning. Wait, ano oras na? 4:53 na sa umaga. Like, the day of your birthday na to. I just wanna tell you, happy birthday. Matutulog na siguro ako after this. After ko to isend sa kanila. Pero, Luke, thank you. Cringe. Pero, salamat, Beto, for being a very, genuinely helpful na person. You've been a really great friend. You always look out for everybody, and grabe talaga ang lakas ng conscience. Basta grabe yung conscience. O ba? Lakas-lakas ng grip on the body. Pero, yun lang, Luke. Thanks for, a lot. You've done a lot for all of us, and as you can see, I'm still playing Wuthering Waves. Pero, yeah, I hope you really enjoy your birthday today, this lunch. Yun lang. Look, I love you, Luke. Happy birthday. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Happy birthday, Luke. Ansa na siya tradition na mag happy birthday and wish your family, yourself to have a healthy life and fulfilling life. Pero yeah, you know the drill. And enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hi Luke, it's Gabby. I just wanted to greet you a very happy birthday. And that I hope you know that I am very grateful to have you as one of my bestest friends and also like a brother, not only to me but to Thea, to Glyzan, and everybody else in the group. And I hope that you're having a blast tonight because a blast on your birthday because I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire and set the night alight, shining through the city with a little funk and soul. So I'ma light it up like a dynamite. Happy birthday, Luke!
Happy birthday, Luke! So, I was planning to join the music video that we had planned for you, although we decided to just do little messages to add to the video instead for those who can join on the day. But in any case, I just wanted to greet you happy birthday. It was really fun having you as my seatmate. It was nice having someone that you could just vibe around with and who actually understood the jokes that you did as well. Like, it's nice having someone who was in the same fandoms as you. It's like you could get the same jokes, you could understand the same things as each other. Like, it's rare, okay? It's kind of rare to find people who know Fate as much as you did, especially in a classroom. Those who actually played the visual novel, although that's getting a bit out of hand, descriptions, to an extent, I suppose. But you knew a lot of things, especially with visual novels. That really stood out. I really enjoyed the conversations that we had. I really just enjoyed having you as my friend overall. I don't think I'd ever replace that time that we had with each other for anyone else in the room during that year. It's genuinely irreplaceable to me. Even though kusugay ka magbully sa imong mga riddles, like for example, imong mga fill in the blanks, I will never forget those, bro. Like atong what word is N-I-G blank blank or N-I-G blank blank? Or unsa pa tong kuan it's just the same word over again, pero iba mo ang fill in the blanks kay I know you have a specific target. You have plans. It's dangerous. That was what's more? What exists more in the world? Wheels or doors? Bro, know that I've tried that on almost every KCC employee that I know. Like, they know me for those questions, bro. They know me for the wheels or door questions. Like, I've seen the expressions they made, and that is your influence, bro. Imo na sala, bro. Like, but anyway, I genuinely had a lot of fun. Especially with your riddles. Even though kusugay ka mang torture sa kuha as your seatmate. But in any case, I just wanted to greet you happy birthday, and my only message for you is that you continue being who you are. There's just something about you that's absolutely rare to find in other people these days. Like, for example, you can do so much. Like, you're actually very talented, but you're very low-key about them in a way that you want to make other people think that it should go unnoticed, or that it's just very normal because like you're just doing what everyone else is in order to pass and stuff, even though you're doing so much more than that. It's wild. It's absolutely wild. Like, there's something very inspiring about you, and there's just something that just pulls people into you with how crazy kay kag mga kuan. Basta daghan kay alam. But in any case, magkuan lang na. You just continue being who you are. You keep achieving your goals, and mag-good boy lang ka ha, siguro mag-good boy na lang kataan ka, Luke, kay kuan pwede na biya ka mapriso, tapos pwede na biya ka mapriso sa imong mama, so mag-amping na lang taan jud ka, please. Mag-amping na lang taan jud ka. But I think this is getting long enough, and I think I've said more than enough. I just wanted to let you know that you mean a lot to me as a friend. Like, you're genuinely one of the best people that I've met in my years in this school, and I don't think I could ever replace that. No one else could ever replace that about you. Like, out of all the Notre Dame schools that I've went to, you're one of the most influential people in my life in ways that you don't even know, and I love you for that. Happy birthday, Luke.
Happy birthday, Luke. More blessings to come. Thank you for being a kind and supportive friend. Si Mary na lagi magpatuloy. I wish you all the best and may you have a wonderful day.
Hi, Luke. Happy birthday. Umaga na, Luke. So, yes, King. So, I would like to say na you are a really great friend to me, and hindi lang sa akin, pero sa amin, nakakilala mo niya. So, yeah, then I hope na you do well sa mga sa mga, kung anong gusto mong gawin, you do well, yeah. And I hope na kung may pagsubok ka mang in-experience, I believe that you can conquer that, man. Yeah. So anyways, happy birthday, Luke. We love you. Yeah, bye.
Okay. Look. What's up, Luke? Happy birthday, Luke. Lukwanag. All things considered, happy birthday, Luke. Happy 18th birthday. Look, tingnan mo. Video mo to, pare. Video mo to. Anywho. It's 7:10 o'clock in the morning as I'm recording this. Happy birthday, pre. So, matanda ka na, finally. And you got to make good decisions na. Pag-isipan mo na talaga, mag-college na tayo. And you're at the legality age, so no bad shit. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. You, as an Anli Pares, as my guy. Aking pare, bro. Aking my brother. Salamat. Thank you for being there by my side. 4, 5, 6 years. Wow. Believe ako. Any other shit, ma-overcome mo yan. That's basic. Kasi believe ako sa'yo. I believe in you, bro. I trust in your instincts. I trust in your guts. You are a smart person. And bright ka! Ayan, bright. Yan. Anyways, look, morning na. It's morning. See you later, Luke. Ay, not later. Happy birthday ngayon! Yeah, ngayon! Happy birthday, bro! Okay. And I love you.
Happy birthday pala. Alam kong pupunta ako dyan mamaya. Mamaya. Pero happy birthday pa rin. Happy birthday, and I wish you more and more birthdays to come. You are a very good friend. And happy birthday. Advance. Nag-happy birthday naman ako kanina. Pero happy birthday pa rin.
Hi, Luke. Happy birthday.
Gabriel Lukawan. It is I, your baby boy, Kyo. I wish you a very happy birthday. I love you so much, my big bro. This is Dai Dai, and she will wish you a big kiss. Say bye-bye to Kuya Luke. May.
Happy birthday, Luke, and for my short message, be respectable as always and maging mabait and live your life to the fullest lang, and yun lang.
Happy birthday, Uwayan! So, you're 18 now. You're celebrating your birthday. Congratulations. Parang, I won't be there kaya malasabo ako. Pero, I'm happy for you. May you get good. May you reach your dreams. May you, syempre, corny man ito pero sige, since birthday mo to, mag-corny ako. Thank you, Uwayan, for being our friend, for being part of Only Rice, for not being a Jeremy. Thank you again. 18 ka na, makalasing na tayo pagbalik ako dyan san, mag-inuman tayo, real. Mag-gin, Galaxy Gin, mag-vodka, magdala ako lahat ng mga beer. So, welcome and congratulations. Thank you again, Uwayan, for being my friend, for being with us in Only Rice, and I wish you a happy birthday. Happy
birthday, Luke. I hope you enjoy today, and I hope that you live a wonderful life, and that all the following birthdays will be enjoyable as well as this one. Since you're 18 now, you're legally allowed to be in jail. So don't throw in Lee, because I will report you to the police. So, carry us in league. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello, Meg.
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Meg.
It's your 18th birthday na today. Nagtanaw-tanaw mi sa imong photos ba o this is your first day home from the hospital. Di ba lit mo? Yan. Dito yung sa binyag. O di ba? Malit ka pa rin. Then, to. Ewan ko ilang taong ka nito. O, mabilog. Kaya matagal ka naka-walk kasi malaki ka. Anyways, as you grow old, ayan na yung pumunta tayo ng Subic. 5 years old ka na nito. So, here we are. It's your brightened birthday na. Malaki ka na. So, wishing you a happy birthday. We love you. And we hope you stay cool as you are. And be friendly. And be mindful of your surroundings. Kasi hindi naman natin control kung ano mangyayari sa atin, but we could always control how we react to it. And we wish you happiness all the time, and katawa mo. And may you always be surrounded with love, friendship, and good people. Malapit ka na mag-college, ngayon 18 ka na, so be more conscious. So sabi mo nga, more freedom, but you should always know your limits because that will lead you to the right path. And andito lang kami to support you all the time, especially pag di mo na kaya. You have your friends with you, and we have families, your cousins, and your aunts. We always love you and be there for you. So, good luck sa iyong pag-adulthood. But, we're here. We love you, Nak. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nak.
Birthday.
Bye.
Sa bawat araw na kasama ka, kabibyalok. Ang saya, ang ngiti, hindi maikukubli. Ikaw ang bituin sa gabi ng buhay. Sa iyong birthday, nais namin ika'y mapasaya. Oh, Gabriel, ikaw ang aming mundo. Sa iyong ganda, lahat ay nahuhulog. Happy birthday sa iyo, aming kaibigan. Ang buhay namin mas masaya dahil sa iyo. Kahit sino pa man gustong maging malapit sa iyo, sa iyong karisma, wala nang makakatapat. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim ng gabi. Gabi-ilog, sa iyo kami laging nakangiti. Oh, Gabriel, ikaw ang aming mundo. Sa iyong ganda, lahat ay nahuhulog. Happy birthday sa iyo, aming kaibigan. Ang buhay namin mas masaya dahil sa iyo. Sa bawat halakhak, sa bawat ligaya,